A is for apple, so juicy and red. B is for ball, let's play catch instead. C is for cat, purring softly and sweet. A is for dog, wagging its tail to greet. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for flower, the bees hum along. G is for green, like the grass we run through. H is for hat, to wear when skies are blue. I is for ice cream, a treat for a hot day. J is for jump, let's leap and play. K is for kite, soaring high. L is for lion, with a mighty roar. M is for moon, glowing bright in the night. N is for nest, where the birds take flight. O is for orange, tangy and sweet. P is for panda with furry feet. Q is for queen in her royal gown. R is for rainbow with colors all around. S is for sun, shining up high. T is for turtle, moving slow as it passes by. U is for umbrella, keeping us dry. V is for violin, playing a sweet lullaby. W is for wagon, rolling down the street. X is for xylophone, making music so neat. Y is for yellow, like the sun shines so bright. Z is for zebra, with stripes black and white. Now we've reached the end, from start to finish. But learning our alphabet, it never diminishes. A, B, C, let's sing along with glee. Learning our letters, 1, 2, 3. D, E, F, it's so much fun, you see. Singing our alphabet, you and me. From A to Z, we've had so much fun, singing and learning till the day is done. Let's sing it loud.